Hello guys, welcome back to George Basic Scripting Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to change your Doordash language. So if you have this problem and want to change your Doordash language to your, for example, native language, you can do the simple thing. First of all, you need to close your Doordash app because there is no option to change the language from inside the app. So we need to go to our phone settings. Just click the settings of your phone. At the moment I'm using an Android device, but it's quite simple on iOS. So when you open your phone settings, then you need to go to the search and search for language. Then you need to choose add language. Click this plus icon right here and find your language here. If you don't see all of the languages, you can just click these three dots on the top right side and select all languages. Now we will see all of the languages, guys. So when you find your language, you need to click it and then choose your region, guys. Select set as default. And now we can go back to your menu and you can open your Doordash app.